Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the US dollar index, overall, on like the daily and the 4-hour, I'm definitely very, very bullish. I think we're going to go up and take out these previous highs because this looks to be like a three-way pattern down. I think we're likely in an uptrend right now, and I think it's probably going to end up eventually looking something like this, at least coming back up to here, then maybe making a bigger pullback, and then another five waves up. Because I'm expecting this to be an ABC pattern. I think it's going to be an ABC of wave Z on the higher time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, because we're so bullish, any move we see to the upside, we do have to realize that it could possibly just keep on going up. But looking at the dollar index and a lot of the dollar pairs for correlation, it kind of seems like we have like a wave A and a wave B coming in. If that's true, then we likely will push down to at least a 38, maybe to 50% for a wave C before we actually end up continuing the uptrend. I think this is possibly like a wave one, wave two, and eventually up for a wave three. Most likely a one, two, three of wave A, which is likely a wave A of wave Z on the daily time frame. So I would definitely take that information. I would apply it to whatever dollar pair you are trading and trade it accordingly. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.